All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We are back in Chengdu, China, our home base, and today is a super special occasion. We are going to be eating at one of the oldest, most traditional fly restaurants in Chengdu. This is Thai Shizai. We're going to have a beautiful feast, do a quick update about our 2 million subscribers giveaway, and update you guys about our future plans. Check it out. 你好。对对对，今天吃。太好了。And the Lao Ban here is so friendly. And look at this, it's in an old, traditional Chinese style home, and it's tons of delicious food right here. Wow, 很多美食的. Look at this, guys. We've got.
我给你加味哈，加上糖醋狗。
哦，这个是
对，今天我炒的是那个。
糖醋藕。
我加上糖醋，白糖醋狗啊。
Look at this, guys. So it all starts right here. This is all the liang cai, the cold vegetables. Some of them pickled. Lots of them are in a spicy chili oil. We got lotus root. We got green beans. A couple types of green beans here. We got delicious bitter melon. We've got smoked tofu. We've got cold cucumbers. Oh, that's in a delicious sesame oil. And we've got some carrot here. And then over here, we've got chiezi eggplant in a thick chili oil. Here's these little bowls of chili oil here. They've got broad bean paste in there, chili oil, and green onions, and they serve that with the douhua, the silken tofu. And Zhou Lao Ban over here is just so friendly. She'll just give you a feast. 一个汤嘛？哦，这个是海带汤嘛？
海带汤。
海带汤可以。
第二个啊。
太好了。
先把你们那个吃完。
哇，你们开了几年？
我们开20年。
20年嘛？
嗯。
哇，开了那么多年。
啊。20年太久，只争朝夕。
哦，谢谢周老板。Unbelievable.
这是我们的麻婆豆腐。
哦，麻婆豆腐，你们的特色，四川的麻婆豆腐。
哦，四川的麻婆豆腐。
哦，然后这个呢？
红烧猪鼻子。
红烧。
回锅肉年，我这菜要定着嘛，好看嘛，那颜色什么的。
哇，这个是回锅肉。
回锅肉。
四川的回锅肉。
哎，对。
太棒了。And then look at this. This is the Hong Shao roll, red braised, fatty pig feet. That is amazing.
那个是烧肥肠。
哦，烧肥肠。
哦，红烧肉。
还有红烧肉。Oh, and then that's the red braised fatty pork.
今天还吃啥子？我吃了个还吃啥子？美元。
今天吃红烧肉。
又吃红烧肉啊？
对。还有这个麻婆豆腐。
啊，对。
This is the numbing tofu, spicy numbing tofu, and she's just plating. 哇，那个很漂亮。
我还给你加东西才好看。你不忙炸，我加点这个葱子才好看。
And as soon as you walk in, they just start feeding you here. It's so amazing. All of this.
舌尖上的中国。
哦，舌尖上的中国。
嗯。
很特色的。太好了。There's just so much food here, and then look at this. We've got beautiful douhua. This is silken tofu. They serve it to you with a really thick chili paste. We've got this douhua. 这个是毛血旺嘛？
不是。
这个是什么？
血。
猪血嘛？
鸭血。
鸭血 ，duck blood. And then we've got delicious. This is 土豆还有什么？土豆烧排骨。土豆烧排骨. So that is braised pork with potato.
你吃过土豆烧排骨吧？你们爱吃排骨的？
可以吃吗？
可以吃，要一个吧？
一个。
好，门口坐吃。
Amazing. Oh yeah, look at this. This is just truly amazing, guys. Look at this old, traditional style Sichuan feast in the oldest, most beautiful traditional style home here in Chengdu. We've got so much food. We're gonna do a quick update for you guys. Tell you guys about our 2 million subscribers giveaway. We're giving away 2 tickets to come to Guangzhou in the south of China with us. And we're gonna update you guys about our current plans, what we're gonna do with this channel. Look at this. This is red braised pork. That is actually extremely fatty. You can see there's just this layer of pork belly here that is pure fat. And a lot of people here like that. They love the fatty layer mixed with the lean layer. That should be slightly sweet and slightly spicy. And then over here, look at this, guys. Traditional Mapo Tofu. Look at that. So this should have a lot of Sichuan peppercorn, which is gonna numb your mouth off. It's really soft tofu, and it's super, super fragrant and spicy. And then look at this beautiful huigo roll here. This is twice cooked fatty pork. Looks like they put a little bit of tofu in there and green peppers. This is Hong Shao Pai Gu with tudou, so red braised, spare ribs, with potato. And then look at this, guys. This is one of the best dishes in the whole joint. This is tang tu o, sweet and sour lotus root. And then we've got a beautiful lo bo hae tang here. So this is radish with seaweed soup, and it's just a perfect, beautiful selection. Let's go right in. I just want to try a little bit of this Mapo Tofu, one of the iconic Sichuan dishes. It's so good to be back here in Chengdu. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Soft tofu, slightly numbing. One of the best things about Mapo Tofu is that it is actually quite ma sometimes, quite numbing. It literally makes your tongue feel like there's electricity on it. 谢谢周老板。
好，慢慢吃。
太好吃了。Let's try some of this Hong Shao roll. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, that is real Sichuan food. That fat is so gelatinous. It really has this unique texture in your mouth, combined with that sweet, slightly spicy Hong Shao flavor and the lean pork. It's really nice over top of your rice. So I really want to give you guys an update about what we're doing right now. We're back in Chengdu. This is our home base. We actually rent an apartment here. It's a good base. We fly in and out of here. It's about $200 a month to rent an apartment. The Laoban here is just so friendly. Wow. How should a hen? So the goal here, guys, is to create lots of useful, fun content for you to help you find delicious places when you travel. And we're gonna start out here at our home base in Chengdu, creating a map that you guys can follow, on your trip here. And we're gonna visit a lot of different cities. We're gonna start out here in Chengdu. We're gonna probably spend a month or two in each city, create a list and a map of delicious food spots that you can visit. And here is the first place in Chengdu. Let's try this delicious Oh yeah. Oh, it's perfect. That is delicious, crunchy, sweet and sour lotus root. It's got this vinegary, sweet, slightly spicy crunch to it. Perfect. So this is gonna be the next step for us, creating resources for you guys, finding delicious food, because we get asked so many questions, where is the location? So I'm gonna be creating a lot of posts, guides, and maps, pinning each location that we visit on a map for you on our website, thefoodranger.com. And I feel like that is gonna be super useful for you when you come to these locations. Oh, that is. Wow, that is amazing. That's the soul of spicy Sichuan right there. Fatty pork, lean pork. It's all about the broad bean paste. Spicy, fragrant. Oh, it's smoky. They've added this smoked tofu in here, which gives it a smoky flavor all throughout. And there's just so much in there. So for the next locations we're gonna be going, first we're gonna start here in Chengdu. And each destination we do, we're probably gonna be 1 or 2 months in each place. So we'll be in Chengdu for a couple months. And after that, we're looking at a few of the cities we've already visited. Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur. We're gonna go to the Philippines and Taiwan. And we're also looking at some new places too. We wanna go to Pakistan. We wanna go to Sri Lanka. And each time we visit, it's gonna be a bit longer. So there's gonna be more content for each place, and it's gonna be more methodical. We're gonna be pinning each place on a map and helping you find them as well on blog posts. This is gonna be the first spot we're pinning. We're gonna drop a pin down. It's gonna be blue for good, red for excellent, and 10 is for gold, 10 out of 10 Ranger ratings. And the next thing, guys, is that we are so pumped to be announcing a 2 million subscribers sweepstakes giveaway. We're gonna be flying 2 lucky Rangers out to Guangzhou, where Ting is from, take you for delicious dim sum. It's gonna be amazing. We did this for 1 million subscribers as well last year. Now we're gonna do it for 2, and we're gonna do it for every 1 million subscribers that we get, because we wanna give back to you, take you for delicious food, delicious Cantonese food in Guangzhou for this giveaway. So all you gotta do to enter is follow our Instagram, follow all our social media, create a post with the hashtag 2 million Rangers. It can be a video, a photo, put some information in there, why you would like to come. If you want to create a video, if you want to create a photo about your favorite food, about why you would love to come to China, anything you want to say is perfect, and then we're gonna choose one of you within about a month. And then we'll fly you out whenever you have time, whenever we have time, we'll arrange it together. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am about the upcoming series, all of the videos from Chengdu and the cities we visit in the future, and for our 2 million Rangers giveaway. Make sure you're following along on Instagram, create a hashtag with 2 million Rangers, explain why you'd like to come, and we might choose one of you guys to come to Guangzhou. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below.